Everyone wants that one car, whether it's a Ferrari, Lambo, or even a Miata. But the reality is, most people can't afford it. And it's not because they don't make money, it's because they don't know how money works. But if you learn these few rules quickly, you'll be ahead of almost everyone your age and even adults. So let's get into it. There are two types of things you can own: assets and liabilities. A liability is something that loses money. An asset is something that makes money. Everything you own is one of these two. An example of an asset could be a phone or a business or anything else that makes money. An example of a liability would be clothes, games, any hobby you have. School teaches you to get a job, get paid, spend all that money. Rich people think of money as a tool to buy more stuff and make more money. That's the whole game. That's it. That's literally all it is. This one is actually insane. This is how the rich stay rich. If you were to invest $10 a month for 55 years from age 15 to 70, you would have $285,000 with only investing $6,600 total. That's the power of compound interest. Your money just grows and grows and grows forever until you take it out. Someone who starts out at the age of something like 15 has way more money than someone starting out at 30. That's the advantage we have right now. So we better take advantage of that. Lesson 4. Rich people don't rely on one way to make money. They have several streams of income. Now obviously as a teenager, juggling school, work, and just life, we can't buy any apartment buildings or anything like that. But we can start small. We can start by mowing lawns, flipping things, starting a YouTube channel, and just doing small stuff for people. It doesn't have to be that hard. The internet made it way easier than it used to be, so let's take advantage of that. I personally have started a business and I'm starting this YouTube channel. And with the internet, we can do anything from online marketing to editing videos for people. The amount of possibilities are insane. We can do almost anything. Lesson 5. This is what everything comes down to. It's your mindset. Most people make money, spend money. But the smart way is to make money, keep it, grow it, spend what's left. That's how you actually get ahead. There are people making hundreds of thousands of dollars, and they're still living paycheck to paycheck. And it's not because of how much they're making, it's because how they're spending it. Alright, quick recap. You have assets versus liabilities, the 50-30-20 rule, compound interest, multiple income streams, and most importantly, your mindset. You just learned more about money than most adults. So now what are you going to do about it? Are you going to keep on sitting on your phone, or are you going to go out there and make some money? Like and subscribe if you liked the video.